Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Try to understand what is religion. So God is one. God cannot say somewhere that this is religion and this is not religion. God says, Bhagavan Krishna says in the Bhagavad-gita, here it is said that jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati paritranaya. And next verse is said, Paritrana sadhunam vinasaya cha duskrita dharma samsthapanarthaya cha sambhavami juge juge. The two business, Krishna's, because he has already explained, Bhutanam Ishvara, I am the controller of all living entities. Therefore, when there is discrepancies in execution of dharma, then he is to punish and reward. Puritrana sadhuna vinasaya cha duskrita. Two things. That's why it is the government's duty to give protection to the law-abiding citizen and to punish the outlaw. These two duties of the government. And the supreme government, Krishna, because where from this idea came, the government rewards the law-abiding person or gives protection, and the not law-abiding, there is also protection, but under punishment. So, dharma means, as Krishna says in the Bhagavad-gita, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekang saranam vraja. This is dharma. This is dharma. And our dharma, our characteristic is also that. Because every one of us, we have surrendered to somebody. Analyze everyone. He has somebody superior where he has surrendered. It may be his family, his wife, or his government, his community, his society, his political party, anywhere. You go, the characteristic is to surrender. That you cannot avoid. That was the talk with Professor Kotovsky in Moscow. I asked him, now you have got your communist philosophy. We have got our Krishna philosophy. Where is the difference in philosophy? You have surrendered to Lenin and we have surrendered to Krishna. Where is the difference? Everyone has to surrender. It doesn't matter where he is surrendering. If the surrendering is correct, then the things are correct. If the surrendering is not correct, then things are not correct. This is the philosophy. So, we are surrendering. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has explained this. Jiver Sarup hoy Nitya Krishna Das. We are surrendering, but we are not surrendering to Krishna. This is the disease. This is the disease. And Krishna consciousness movement means to cure this disease. Cure this disease. Krishna comes also. He says, Jada jada hi dharmasya. The dharmasya glanning, discrepancies in the matter of execution religion, when there is discrepancies, Krishna says, tadatmanam sijamham and abhuthanam adharmasya. Two things are there. When people does not surrender to Krishna, they manufacture so many Krishna, so many rascals to surrender there. That is adharma. Dharma means to surrender to Krishna. But instead of surrendering to Krishna, they want to surrender to cats, dogs, this, that, so many things. That is adharma. Krishna did not come to establish the so-called Hindu religion or Muslim religion or Christian religion. No. He came to establish real religion. Real religion means we have to submit, surrender to the real person. That is real religion. We are surrendering. Everyone has got some ideas. He has surrendered there. Either political, social, economical, religious, anything. Everyone has got some idea. And the leader of that ideal is also there. So our business is to surrender. That is a fact. But we do not know where to surrender. That is the difficulty. And because the surrender is mistaken or misplaced, therefore the whole world is chaotic condition. We are changing this surrender to that surrender. No more Congress party. Now Communist party. Again, no more Communist party. This party, that party. So what is the use of changing party? Because this party or that party, they are not surrendered to Krishna. So unless you come to the point of surrendering to Krishna, there cannot be any peace. That is the point. Simply by changing from frying pan to the fire will not save you.
Hare Krishna